Hey, it's Rob from Wheelworx bike shop in Dublin. We have a new Project 1 bike in. Very cool one, at least I hope it is anyway. I haven't looked at the docket yet, but I think I know what it is. We'll go up and unpack it. We're doing this one indoors today. The weather's a bit shite. So it's oh yeah, it's exactly what I was hoping it would be. I unboxed a Madone recently. It's gone, I think. It was the new Chroma Ultra Iridescent, and a regular customer had spotted, a mate of mine had spotted that it was a 56 and figured that it was mine, but it's since been sold, so that one's not mine. This is also a 56. So this is it's also a Chroma finish. It's the Ultra Diamondflake is what this one's called. This will be the first one of this colour we've had in. Oh, that's really cool. So it's chrome, but it's got these little flakes through it, little sparkly flakes. Don't know if you can see that indoors. The logos on this one are blue to red fade. We'll keep on unboxing it. I think we're going to build this one with Dura Ace. It came in at 105 because that was the quickest availability when we were ordering it. That's a really spectacular finish. The chrome is gorgeous on it. This one's built with 105, like I said, the 105 Di2, but we're going to switch out the group set on wheels. We're going to put on probably Dura Ace, but we might have a look and see if we have SRAM red. The SRAM red might look cool with it, with the silver on the SRAM. I always forget to bring something when I'm unpacking these. Usually it's the cable cutters. Forgot to bring an Allen key to take off the top cap. Just pop the bars in place. These Chroma paint schemes are a limited edition. They don't have artist signatures on like with a regular Project 1. They just have a little logo down here. Chroma Diamondflake limited edition. We've Joe, our workshop manager, is behind the camera today, so he's just about to start a dirty cyclocross bike rebuild. I can see things being shuffled around in the workshop, so he gets to play with the nice, clean, shiny Madone instead. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Need to make a decision on what colour bar tape we're going to put in it. Do we go with something fancy like Do we have some silver supercars down there? We'll have a look and see if we got a fancy bar tape to put on it, or we might just go with black. There's probably enough colour in the frame that anything else would just be overkill. We'll put on some fancy wheels on it. Don't know, we might do zips. Something a bit different. We'll have a look and see what we have in stock and get it into the workshop and get it built. So, okay, that'll do on that. We'll get it built and get some photos after.